Hello, Professor Packaging here once again with the latest Sealed Air's Will It Break experiment. It's time to rev things up with the latest test. Today we'll be testing Sealed Air's Stratocell laminated foam cushioning against an 8-ton...
Yes! As you can hear, an 8-ton monster truck. Will my precious egg survive its sternest test to date? It's time to find out!
In an attempt to protect my precious egg, we'll be using fabricated sealed air packaging. It will be subject to extreme pressure from a vehicle that crushes cars for breakfast. Let's get back to it. This, the hold, initials. P. P. That's it. Close the box. Ready for the monster truck. Oh, remember, not try this at home, or the office, or the warehouse. Seriously, don't. Okay, now, to stop our packaging from getting caught up in the enormous treads, we're using these two wheels. The weight will still be crushing our box. Will it survive? It's time to find out. Let's bring on the beast. It's time to find out if my precious egg has survived. Oh my word. Sealed Air's faced the sternest test to date and survived. Is there anything that can challenge Sealed Air? Send your ideas to the email address below, because I don't think it's possible. Oh.